The bill awaiting the governor's signature would lower the age youth offenders can be detained in Nebraska. Thanks for joining us. I'm Quinicia Fraser.
I'm Bill Shamron. Amendment 1489 is a condensed version of LB 556. It was passed in the legislature under LB 530. KETV News Watch 7's Waverly Monroe started following this before it was even introduced into the legislature.
She shows us why advocates for and against the bill say what it is now is a huge compromise from senators. Waverly.
Yeah, Bill and Quinicia, we initially told you about LB 556. Amendment 489 is a boiled down version of it. Now, it got rid of one big component in LB 556 and put in safeguards for some of the youngest youth this may very well impact.
All those in favor vote aye. All those opposed vote nay.
Amendment 1489 is a boiled down version of the initial LB 556. And County Attorney Don Klein says he appreciates the legislature's work to get it to the governor's desk.
The end result, I think, is appropriate, and I think it's very good. We're happy with it.
If you remember, initially, LB 556 would lower the age a juvenile could be charged as an adult from 14 to 12 and lower the age of detainment to 11. And now, 1489 only includes just the ability to send people as young as 11 to a detention center like Omaha's DCYC.
There are safeguards in here that if it is somebody that's 11, that there'd be hearing set for every 5 days to trying to get that person out of detention.
The amendment also includes additional reasons a secure detention may be considered for the protection of a juvenile, like running from law enforcement placement or a home, violent offenses or threatening others, and multiple property crimes.
It is simply so young, too young, for a secure facility like DCYC to be appropriate.
Juliet Summers with Voices for Children in Nebraska says this amendment walks back years of progress.
When we treat a kid like a dangerous criminal, if they are not a dangerous criminal, that is how they start to identify.
Though both Summers and Klein agree on one thing.
There are people on both sides, both parties that worked on this and were supporters of it.
I will say the final amended version was the result of compromise and hard work among a number of legislators.
LB 530A passes.
Senator Terrell McKinney, who from the beginning has always opposed this, reacts to the bill being passed.
It's like a lot of youth are lacking a lot of resources, and we're not addressing the root cause as to why they might be getting in trouble.
Well, Governor Jim Pillen has always advocated for this since it was introduced under Ralston Senator Merv Riepe up until now, so it's likely to get the governor's signature. Back to you.